Hi guys, how are you all? Hi guys, how are you all?
ஹாய் ஆன்ட்டி
Hi.
ஆன்ட்டி நீங்க ஏதோ டெஸ்ட் ஸ்கோர் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க ஆனா அது எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே வரல
The test score did not come to you. So, did you take the test?
எந்த டெஸ்ட் சொல்றீங்க ஏதோ அம்மா டெஸ்ட் ஸ்கோர்
Mama, Harshit, let's keep the common ground. Test score, I need to check. I don't know. I did send Anna. Let's see.
ஏன் இமெயிலுக்கு வரல
Mm. It was 2002 APS mark. Huh? I don't know. What was the test? I don't know. Let's check. Wait.
ஏதோ டெஸ்ட் வந்திருக்குன்னு அம்மா சொன்னாங்க எனக்கு எதுன்னு தெரியல ஏதோ டெஸ்ட் ஸ்கோர்
For math and science is whose ID? For math and science is whose ID? Anybody's ID here is for math and science? Vidyut, for math and science, is this your ID?
No, mine is like wait for what? Google Classroom? Because I don't have like for math and science for anything.
Wait. Okay. Samantha is not here. I don't know why. Did they all forget? Harshit, looks like you did not take the test at all. Okay. Okay, let's move on.
ஓகே
Looks like you did not take the test at all. Ma, whose email ID is this, Ma? I really would like to know whose email ID is this. Let me show you. Let me ask you. Wait. I'm a little taken. I don't know. Let's see. Let me show you. Whose email ID is this one? Hmm. You are able to see my screen? Whose email ID is that one? Is that yours? Anybody's?
Not mine.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now. Okay, you know what? Today, what I wanted to discuss, let me tell you. I know there were a lot of homework problems, right, on algebra. Across all the AMC8s, previous past papers, algebra problems were given, right? Did you guys get to try it?
yes
How was it?
I tried like half of it.
Was it hard?
like
Yeah, it was hard. It was hard.
I have 8 full pages left, like front to back, so about 16 full pages left. At the start, I kept going. It started going easy, but some of the answers were wonky because if I got because one of the answers that I got was actually negative, but in the form it never said there was it didn't include a negative answer, and some questions were actually kind of confusing. And I
Do you,
have all of them right here.
do you want to discuss one or two, or do you want to learn permutation combination? Meaning, I'm also debating. I don't know. What do you want?
I'm okay with either.
What do you guys want to do?
I
Harshita,
want to learn it first.
learn the permutation combinations first and go back to a review of the homework.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. See, because permutation combination is a big part of AMC8. You all know that, right?
Okay, let's learn permutations and combinations.
You will have a ton of problems on permutations combinations, okay? But it's not that, see, the aim is not for you to solve every problem, but at least I want you to solve 2 of the problems that appear. You see what I mean? Okay, let's try. We'll take it slow, okay? But you will be there. Okay, let's see. I wanted to start with what? Hold on. Okay, now let me take up the notes that I had. Review. Okay. Okay. Have you heard? How about this? To just get started, right? Can we try this problem? Let's see. Let's see. This is just based out of logic, okay? No permutation, no combination, nothing. Okay, just try out this problem. Let me know where we stand and then we'll go. If you have Alice, Betty, and Chase, and you need to choose 2 of them to be president and vice president of the math club, how many ways are there to do this? I'll wait. Please don't shout out. You can send the answers to me.
Wait, can one person like hold 2 offices?
Vidyut, what was that?
Can one person hold 2 offices?
No.
Oh, okay.
Good question, though.
Is my answer correct?
Okay, some of you got it right. Good job.
Is my
What is the answer, ma? Don't ask me to calculate, Hamsini. You have to calculate. Good job. Hamsini, Dia, Harshita, correct. No problem, Anika. We'll move on. This is the first
wait?
problem
What?
I've given without, I have not taught anything. Okay. Vidyut correct, Samantha correct, Harshit, it's incorrect, ma. So here, when you think about it, you have Alice. Let me show you. So you have Alice. I'll write her as A, Betty, Chase. There are 3 people, right? So you want to pick president, vice president, right? So let's see. If I choose A, right, I can choose B. If I choose A, I can choose C. Correct? Correct? Now the thing is,
Yes.
next is I can choose B, I can choose A or B, C. It's in the order of president, vice president, right?
Yes.
Now again, what other choices are there? I can choose C, I can choose A, C, B. Any questions here? So how many choices are in here? Is this not 6? What do you think, Harshad?
Mm.
Hmm?
Well, auntie, A, B, no, this is what I calculated. A, B, I calculated A, B, B, C, and AC, and then I multiplied it by 2 because all of them could switch positions.
Why did you multiply by 2?
Because
Here,
all of them can do the exact opposite.
no, right? Here A is the president. Here A is the vice president. That's already covered here. Here B is the president. B. Here B is the see. Okay, let me show you. Okay, see, I'll tell you. Here A is the president, right? A is the president in these two. A is the vice president, the other two. Did you see that? And then B is the vice president here. B is the vice president here. B is the president here. See, all cases are covered. Did you see that, Harshad?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's go ahead. Another 2 or 3 problems, we'll do it as just as a warm up. Okay. So how about this? How about this, guys? Should be okay, this one. Let's see. This is just, we are just trying to understand where we are.
Yeah, can we like can someone hold 2 offices in this one?
No, not at all.
Okay. Right.
Vidit, you want to explain?
Wait, me?
Yeah, you want to explain?
Okay. So for this one, you can select vice president, president, and secretary. So there can be 8 choices for president. So it'll be 8, and then there will be 7 choices left for vice president because they can't hold 2 offices, and then there will be 6 choices for secretary. So it'll be 8 times 7 times 6.
Wow, that was easy. Okay. How many of you didn't get it? How many of you didn't get it? Harshita, did you get that, ma? How to do that?
I got it.
Hmm?
I understood it.
You understood?
Auntie,
Yeah.
since we're done with this problem, I did 8 times 7 times 6, which is 336.
Thanks. 336 is the right answer. Thanks. 336 is the right answer, guys. Okay, let me show you ones. Okay, there was one incorrect answer. That's okay. Let me go ahead and show you. So, see, you have to choose president, vice president, and secretary, right? So here you're going to choose 3 office positions. So for the first office position, you can have one of the 8, but you already made the choice, meaning one person is occupied here. So the number of choices for the next, let's say vice president, is 7. Now here you have occupied one, here you have occupied one. So 2 of the 8 people are already consumed. And here you have 6 choices, right? Because 6 people, meaning for the third position, you can choose one from 6 people. Now what happens? 8 gets multiplied by 7, 7 gets multiplied by 6. How is it possible? This is the answer. Okay. However, when you think about it as a tree pattern, right? When you think about it, let's call the people as P1, P2, P3, P4. P1, P2, P3, P4. I'm going to call like that. Okay. And then I'm not going to deal with this, but I'll write P8. Okay. So this is for the president. I'm choosing the president here. Right? Now, second is I'm going to choose vice president. The problem here is after choosing P1 as the president, how many options are there for me to choose the vice president? How many number of people can compete for the vice president? Come on, guys, quick.
7.
7. Because after I choose P2, how many options are there for me to choose the vice president? 7 options. So there will be 7 options. P1. If I choose P2 already, right? So it will go to P1, P3, P4 to P8. Any questions here? Any questions here? Similarly, if I choose P1, right, the options would be P2 to P8. Any questions? Right? Like that, let me go to the last one. If I choose P8, right, as the president, how many options are there? P1 to P7, right? So there are 7 options. Now, after choosing P1, P2 as president, as vice president, how many options are there for the last category? What is it? Secretary.
6.
6, right? So this has to be 6. 6 people. Who are they? From P3 to P8. Do you guys see it? So that is why, see here, there are 8 options in this column. 8. And then each of this has a 7. Right? Each of this has a 7 means, so 7, 7, 7, 7, like that 8. So 8 times 7 times each of this block has 6, 6, 6. It moves on like this. So that's why I multiplied 8 times 7 times 6. Do you guys get it? Okay, good. Harshita, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I understood it.
Vidyut, what was it? 7? Vidyut, what was the answer? 7. I didn't get. What is that answer? 7?
Oh, because like you're like for the people left, I just put 7. That's why.
Oh, okay. After 8, huh?
Yeah, like after 8.
After
I
8,
can
okay.
see that actually.
Okay, let me see. Okay, now there's 2 more warm up, I think. Okay, that's what I thought I'll do. Because you guys are doing good. Do we need to do the warm up? I don't know, but let's see. How about this? Find the number of 3-digit numbers with all of its digit distinct. Number of 3-digit numbers with all of its digits distinct. So how will we get started? For the first digit, second digit, third digit, right?
Can I say?
Yeah, sure. First, let them get the answer. Harshit, you can definitely explain.
Is my answer correct?
I'll take them. Wait, I'm not getting your answers, guys. What am I doing? Hold on. I have a space problem. Consonant correct. Harshat, no. Anika, I really like the way you all are arriving at the answer. Can one of you explain how you got that 720? 720 seems wrong.
Can I?
Okay. Yeah, you can explain. I'll let Hamsini explain the answer though. Can you explain, Anika or Harshat who wants to go ahead and say how you got it? That
Wait,
is
I
incorrect.
can go. Wait, did I get it correct? I can go.
Vidyut, what was your answer, Amma?
900.
900. Then I want Vidyut to explain. That is another different answer. Why don't we understand? Meaning, I would
Yeah.
like to see your thoughts. You see, at the end of it, that's what it really matters, right?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Because
First, Harshad, go ahead, and then Vidyut, go ahead. Let's understand each of your logic. Go ahead.
Okay. Me?
Yeah, go ahead, Harshad.
Okay. So
Thank you for asking, Harshad. Go ahead.
Are you ready for me? Okay, so first there's 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first number is 10. And then since you already picked one number, we can't all of the digits have to be distinct. So 10 times 9. And then since you already picked two, another distinct. So 10 times 9 times 8. And 10 times 9 is 90, and and then 90 times 8 is 720.
So Harshit has his answer as 720. Okay, what is that, Vidyut? How did you get 900?
I was just thinking that like the three digit numbers, there's like 100 to 999. So
100 to yeah, it is there. But did you read the question? Three-digit number will with all of its digits distinct. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect, right?
wait,
Each
what
of
is
the
digit
digits distinct means if one is zero, another is zero, then it should be a two. Meaning we cannot repeat digits. That's what it means.
Oh.
You got it?
Oh, like oh.
Okay, you want to go ahead and say, Hamsini?
Like the answer?
No, I want you to explain. Possible? Otherwise, I'll go ahead and explain.
Okay. So the first digit can't be 0, but it can be 1 to 9. So that's 9 digits. Oops, sorry. So that's 9 digits, right? So then and then in the second digit it can be 0, but it can't be, let's say I picked like 7 for the first digit. It can be anything except 7 because because you can't repeat digits because digits distinct means that. So that's 9 too because because 0 also gets counted.
Good job.
And then in the third digit, it can be 0 to whatever has not been counted. So that's 8. Because let's say it's like 790, so it can be something from 0 to 8. So that's 8 digits.
Okay, makes sense, guys? Does that make sense?
Yes, I see.
Okay. So just be careful, meaning this is a very possible question where the first digit sometimes cannot be 0, then it becomes a 2-digit number. Okay, remember that. That's a very common mistake every one of us do. Even I do that sometimes. Okay, so we just need to be careful there. Can I move on? Okay, so now we did some warm-up questions, right? That's not the one. How many of you know about factorials? What is a factorial? Do you all know?
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah.
So do I.
Okay, all of you know. So I
Yeah,
don't
I know
spend
what
time.
a factorial is. 4 times 8 times 2.
What is 0 factorial?
0,
0,
0, 1 factorial?
1,
1,
2 factorial?
2,
3 factorial?
6,
4 factorial?
24,
5 factorial?
120.
Wait, no.
This should be memorized, guys. This should be completely memorized. There's no way you can say, I don't know. Okay. Till what? Till at least 6 factorial, it should be memorized. So this is 120. And then what is 6 factorial?
It's 720.
720. 720, right? Yeah.
Yes.
720. So this one you have to memorize. Okay. There's no way you can say, I don't know if you do competitive math. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. Let's try this one. How to do this? Find the number of ways to arrange 5 different books on a bookshelf. I want to arrange 5 different books on a bookshelf.
And is my answer correct?
Yes. Is it taking so much time? Just now we memorized something.
typing for a second.
Is it taking so much time? See? Now
now
marks are flying in. Everybody got it. So there are 5 different ways for the first one. 4, 3, 2, 1. 120. Please note that this is 5 factorial. Multiplication of these. Got it? Okay, now we'll move on. How about this? In how many? Quick, guys. Immediate. It's going to be a countdown round. In how many ways are there to arrange the letters of the word math? Harshit, how
Auntie,
have...
that answer is incorrect. Sorry.
Okay.
I typo.
Hamsini, Harshit, Hamsini, Vidya, yeah, everybody got it right. Whoever answered. Anika, did you get ma? Yes, Harshita got it. Okay, good. Anika, you
I
got
have
it,
a
right?
question.
Yeah.
What if it's MAATH?
Next question is coming. Okay. You're too fast now.
Is it
Okay.
24?
Yeah, it is 24. Correct. All of you got it right, I said. Can we go with the next one? Okay. In how many ways are there to arrange the letters in a word Mississippi? Mississippi. Let me write it down. Mississippi. How many different ways you can arrange the letters in the word Mississippi? That's a little tricky, right? Okay. Before we move here, right? This is the homework, meaning this is the review problem. Okay. Let me do an easier word. Okay. Angular. How many words are this is also a big one. I don't want to do a big one. Let's see. Okay, BAA. How many ways can you rearrange the letters to form different words? How many words are there to rearrange the letters in the word BAA? Not really. Guys. Is it 6 or 3?
Auntie, it's 6.
Actually, I
It's
think it's
three.
three. It's three because there's
I
like
thought-
it can be like if you rearrange them, it could be like BAA
Good
too.
job. Harshita, Vidyut and Hamsini, correct. So BAA, it can start with a B, okay? Again, when I interchange these two, it has to be a AA, which both are the same. Now I can
Oh.
start with this A, I can have BA, but even if now, again, AAB can be there. But again, even if I start with this A at the first, right, it is similar. I'll get whatever I got here.
Oh.
So they both are the same. So these
Yeah.
are duplicates. So whenever a letter repeats, it becomes half. Usual way is 6 different ways, right? You see? Here, it's only 3 different ways. So when you think about this closely, right?
Auntie.
Because of that repetition, you're dividing how many ever times it repeated, you're dividing it by that. Suppose let's say you want to arrange BAA. BAAA. If you want to rearrange, again, what happens is there is 3 duplicates. So, what would happen?
Oh.
What would happen? You would divide it by 3. 4 factorial would be divided by 3. Here, 3 factorial was divided by 2 because there were 2 repeats. Here, there are 3 repeats. So now, come back to our problem. In how many ways can you rearrange the letters in the word Mississippi?
Oh, but so you have to do the factorial and then divide it by the number of.
You tell me. I gave you. You do
Okay.
to make it. If you get a mistake, then we will intervene and help. It has to be a little challenging, right?
Oh, 11 factorial.
This one is a very interesting topic, actually.
I don't get it. Because we need to do 11 factorial divided by like what?
11 factorial divided by, see, number of letters factorial divided by d1, d2 are, let's say a letter, the number of times a letter appears more than once. Because all are duplicates, right? Suppose if a letter appears, let's say D1, D2, D3, meaning one letter appears twice, another letter appears thrice, another letter appears 4 times, means you will be dividing them by the how many ever times it's repeating that factorial. You get it? So here when you think about it, I appears 3 times.
No,
S
4 times.
appears 4 times.
No,
P
I appears 4 times, Auntie.
Okay, I appears 4 times, S appears 4 times, and then what?
P appears 2
P
times.
appears 2 times. So what happens here? 11 factorial by 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. How am I going to do this? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
And it,
One
Auntie, it's
factorial, I'm
invisible.
going to take it away. Harshad,
I
let
can
me
see
finish.
that.
Let me finish.
It's invisible.
Yeah, it's
Let
invisible. I
me
can't-
finish, please.
Oh, okay.
4 factorial, 2 factorial. What happens here? Now, this one, right? 4, 3, 2.
I can see like the numbers, like what you wrote. Like I can only see 11 times 10 times 9 and 4 factorial that's crossed out. I can't see the rest.
That's what I was trying to say.
Sorry.
Oh,
Now,
yeah, now it's there.
Yeah.
Now it's there.
now,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
okay. So now what will be the answer? You guys can proceed. So how many ways was it? What was your answer? Let me know, guys.
I'd put it. I don't know if it's correct.
It's okay, ma. It's okay. Go ahead. That seems right. 34650. Can I move on? Okay. In how many ways can you order the letters of the word pineapple? Pineapple is a nice word, right? In how many ways? I'll take out the formula, guys. In how many ways can you order the words pineapple? Pineapple. I'll leave it to you guys. You guys get it? It's a big number, right? Okay, what did you get? At least as factorials, you just answer.
9 factorial divided by 12.
Yeah, 12. Good. 9 factorial divided by 12. Can I move on?
But I'm still dividing it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Sorry, I'll wait. Did you get that? Anika, did you get that? Okay, 9. So it's becoming a little easier now, right? Basic ones. Okay. Can I go ahead and explain something big?
Wait, it's 9 factorial divided by 12?
Correct, ma.
Wait, how? Because there's 1, 2, 3. There's only 3 P's and 2 E's.
Sorry, Harshit, what was that?
There's only 3 P's and 2 E's.
Yeah, 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So that's 6 times 2. So that's 12. So 9 factorial divided by 12.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I move on? Okay. Now, here comes two different basic things. Okay, let me erase all of this. There's something called permutation. There's something called combination. Have you heard of these terms?
No.
When you come to probability, right, in mathematics, there are two things that you need to know. Okay. Suppose, let's say, how many of us are in here? One, including me. 3, 4, 5, 6 people are in here, right? 6 people are here. Okay. If I want to choose, okay, 2 for my class photo, if I want to choose, I don't want 6, ma. I want to show you with a smaller number. Okay, there are 3 people, okay, in a class. Okay, I want to choose 2 of them to post in the class picture. I want to choose 2 of them to post in the class picture. So here, do you see, I am choosing 2 of them to pose for class pictures. Is the order important? Order in which I choose them, A, B or B, A. Is the order important? No, it's not important. Do you see it? So it can be A, B or A, C. Again, it can be B, A, B, C, or it can be C, A, C, B. However, I'm just choosing them for my class picture. So basically, there are duplicates. This and this are duplicates. This and this are duplicates. This and this are duplicates. You see what is going on? Did you see what is going on?
How is AC and BC duplicates?
A, C, and CA are duplicates.
It's just BC.
No.
Oh, I think it's just like invisible again.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Harsha, is it invisible for you?
yeah, it's showing invisible. Oh,
Yes.
now it's yeah, it's coming.
Now it's good.
It's
What
shown
is going
fine
on?
for me.
Okay. I can see what is going on, because for me it shows as a green color rectangle where something disappears on the right. So that's where I feel like you guys are not able to see.
Now common torics is split in half.
How about
Fixed.
Yeah,
now? How is it, guys?
yeah, I can see it.
Okay, thanks. Harshad, you're able to see, Harshad?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thanks for letting me know though. Okay. So do you see now there are duplicates because order was not important. Order is not important here. Do you see it? So duplicates were there. So you have to settle out the duplicates. But before we get into this, right? Before the order is not important, all that stuff, right? I want to show you something else. Okay, I'll come back there. Okay. Oh, I'm not able to write. Wow. Okay. Let me write it down here. Let me see. In the same ABC classroom, there are 3 people, right? I'm going to choose 2 of them to be class leader and assistant. How many different ways are there? Is the order important?
No.
Order is important because A can be the leader, class leader, assistant. A, B, it can be BA. Next, what can it be? AC, CA, right? Leader, assistant. Or it can be, I'm always choosing A, B, BA, then AC, CA, then B can be the leader, right? Or that can range to BA or BC. And then what else?
Oh, now it disappeared. Now it disappeared.
Invisible.
Invisible. What, guys?
I think it's because if you go too
Okay,
much.
now it's back. Oh, no, now it's not.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
How about this?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you look at it, right, in the same class of 3 members, when the order was important, here order is important, right? When the order was important, did you see what happened? There were no duplicates, right? So when the order is not important, You say there were 3 people and you're choosing 2, right? You can call it out as you're having 3, you're going to permute 2. Am I making sense? From 3, you're going to permute 2 when the order is important. Get it? So that gives you 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. That's how it's calculated. So here, when you think about it, n factorial, total number of people who are available, divided by n minus k factorial.
It's invisible. I can't see it.
Okay, guys, 1 minute. Can I erase this off? What I was saying was, in a class of 3 members, I'm picking out 2 to be leader and an assistant. How many ways are possible? It can be AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, CB. 6 different ways are possible, right? Here, what I'm doing, there are 3 total people. I'm choosing 2, but order is important, right? If the order is important, then in 3 permute 2 is what I'm doing. That means n people are available, I'm choosing k people. N factorial divided by n minus k factorial for permutations when the order is important. Any questions?
I thought it was n factorial by k factorial.
Ah, good one. Good question.
Just n factorial.
Did you see that k factorial is the same as n minus k factorial, Hamsini?
How?
How? Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Suppose you're having 3, okay, same 3 people will see. 3 people and 2 people will see. Okay, 2 factorial, is it not the same as?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, you can go. Did I make a mistake? No, no, no.
Because I think combinations is like n factorial. I mean by k factorial times n minus k factorial.
N factorial by k factorial. Okay, let's see that. 3 factorial by, it will be 2 factorial, right? 1 second, guys. Factorial is 3. So how many ways were there for 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial? That makes sense. 3 minus 2 factorial. Yeah, that makes sense. 3. This should have been 3 minus 2 factorial. So 6. That seems correct, Hamsini. No, no, no. What you're saying doesn't seem right to me.
I think you're right. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Why did you say that? Could you let me know why you said that?
Because I think in some problems, I think I've seen it like that, but I might be wrong. So
Okay, let me make sure of that. For combinations, no, we seem to be, meaning we seem to be discussing it right. Okay, let's move on, guys. Okay, I'll deal with it a little later, I'm saying. Okay, with your problem. Now, for permutation, whatever we have discussed is right. So, n factorial by n minus k factorial, where you have n people and you're going to choose k people out. And the order is important. The other one is combinations, where the same 3 people are there. Choose 2 for a photo. Hey, are you all with me? Order is not important, guys, here. Do you see it? Order is not important at all. So what happens? There are 3 total people.
Invisible.
It disappeared.
Invisible.
Yeah.
Invisible ink.
Okay. No problem, guys. Hold on.
I think it's just because there might be like a white rectangle there. Maybe.
I'm
like when
still not
Shannon-
sure,
It's like
but
a
yeah.
wall empty. Like whenever you go on that side, it's like disappearing to the right side.
Yeah.
Okay, let
I
me
think
see.
it's
Combinations. Okay.
I want something
Now
else.
here, the same class of 3, I'll see Harshit. I don't know what is the problem. Let me see. I don't want to waste time now. A, B, C, there are 3 people. And again, you're going to choose. But then for a photo. Okay. So what happens? Order is not important. Depends on the context, right? Order is not important at all. So let me rephrase it for you here. What I'm going to rephrase it? 3 total, 2 choose, order. You are not bothered about the order. There, you get duplicates, right? So what you do, total people is n, you're going to choose k people. So you know how I write it? N choose k. Do you get it?
It's invisible.
Okay. N, is it okay now?
Yeah, it's better. It's okay now.
N factorial by same thing, n minus k
Auntie,
factorial.
don't write over there because it's like disappearing. It's like a wall wherever you just wrote. Like you can't see
Yeah.
past. Okay, now it's
Yeah, it just appeared.
it
I
just
think there's
moved and
maybe
then-
there's like you have like other windows open, so that's like blocking
Oh,
it.
I see. Okay, wait guys. I'm going to fix this because this seems to too much intervene with the class. Hold on. I'm going to, I don't want to stop share. Let me close the windows as he proposed, right? I feel that is the problem. I'm not able to close. Interesting.
I can see like the part from the right side now.
You're able to see the part on the right side. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you're able to see fully?
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, then it's my mission only. Now it's gone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it, guys, but I don't know how to fix it. I see the problem you're seeing. For me as well, the right green disappeared, the green color rectangle, the right part disappeared. So can you wait a minute for a minute? I'll be back. Wait. See, for me, this application is not closing at all. I don't
Wait, press command option escape.
Command option. If I log off, you're going to be here only. Command option,
Escape.
escape. Really?
Yeah, and it like you can force quit.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. But that didn't, yeah, it helped me close those. Okay, let me close every window. Let me see where are they. Yep. Now I'm coming back here. Still I have the issue. Do you see it now? No?
Yeah, I can see it clearly.
All?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all of it.
Okay, maybe that was because I had too many windows open. Okay. So now, so in combinations, you have n people, you're going to choose k, but then here the only difference is you'll have to remove the duplicates. For that, you divide by k factorial. Guys, did
Oh,
you get it?
wait, it's still invisible.
There's a smaller rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
The invisible ink thing.
No worries. Okay, let's not deal with that. Now, combinations, permutation. So now you got a hang of it, but then NPK, N people are there, total people are there, okay? You choose this many, okay? Order is important. In this case, you write it out as N permute K people will be N factorial divided by N minus K factorial. Any questions? Here,
No.
N choose K. This is the total. You're going to choose K people. Order is not important. Guys, if you're not following, stop me here. N, so that would be N choose K, N factorial, same thing, but then you have to filter out the duplicates, right? So I divide by K factorial. Any questions?
No.
Can I move on now?
Yeah.
Can I move on? Okay. See, I closed all the windows, all gone. Wait. Okay.
Um,
Yeah, go ahead. What's your
Um,
question?
No, I just wanted to tell you to erase the invisible ink thing. I think you can just press command minus a few times until like the thing like goes to like 100%.
No, I'm not enlarging it, Hamsini. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's okay. Now, there are 8 fruits. Okay? 8 fruits in a basket. I'm going to eat 3 of them. In how many ways I can? 3 of them I choose to eat. How many different ways are possible to make the choice of 3? Come on, guys.
Are they different fruits or are they all the same?
They're all different fruits. That would not matter is what I thought. I don't know. Okay, guys, go ahead. Well, how, ma? Dia, explain how?
Mistakes.
How, ma?
I made a mistake somewhere.
Okay, so basically, think about this, guys. You're choosing 3 of them, making the choice. How, Vidyut?
Is that correct?
Um, no, you don't understand. Somewhere we are missing the boat. I don't know where. Um, I got the answer as 56.
I got 336.
You got
Oh,
336.
oops. Yeah, I got 56 too. Oops.
So basically, what you guys
I multiplied wrong, but I got the answer.
did you multiply 6 and 7?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Oops.
Okay. So 8 fruits in a basket, right? So here you have 8 total. N is 8, right? You're going to choose 3, right? That is K, right? Now, does the order matter?
Yes.
No, right? I can really eat 1, 2,
No.
3. It is everything is going in my mouth, right?
1,
I
2,
can
3 isn't the same is the same as 3, 2, 1, right?
Yeah, it is the same because come what may, I'm choosing the fruits to eat. Harshat, am I with you?
Yeah.
So, will you choose combinations or permutation?
Combination.
Combination. So, 8 choose 3. Sometimes this is written like this. This means these are symbols that you should get used to very quickly. That is written as 8 factorial by 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So,
What?
that is
Where's
8 factorial.
the 8 I calculated everything, but 3 factorial multiplied by that?
8765 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 3 factorial. 5 factorial gets cancelled. 3 factorial is 3 times 2, 6 gets cancelled. Answer is 7 times 8 is 56. Vidyut, are you with me?
Wait, I don't get one part.
Which part?
I don't know how you got the 8.
What? It's 3
Oh,
factorial. Wait,
oh,
wait.
actually, yeah,
I'll
now
help
I get it. I
you.
know I get it. Now I
Vidyut,
get
I'll
it.
help you. What is the part you didn't get it?
No, I get it. I get it again and again.
Samantha, did you get it? Dia, did you get it?
Oh, Auntie, I know what my mistake was.
What
I-
was it?
I instead I did permutations and I did it. I didn't do K multiply. I did permutation method, and 3 factorial. If you divide it, but if you divide my answer by 6, which is 3 factorial, it'll equal 56.
Oh my goodness. Okay. How about this? Let's try this one. Quick, guys. I really want. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Sorry. What is going on? How about this? Fruits we did. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. How many ways I can form a 3-digit number where all of the digits are odd? In how many ways? I can write the problem on the board if you want to. In how many ways? How many 3-digit numbers are there with all odd digits? Try, guys. And with all even digits. First, you do this one.
Do they have to be different digits?
If it is not given, then don't take it. In the exam, you won't have somebody to help you like that.
Is my answer correct?
No.
It's not.
No. How many 3-digit numbers are there with good. Hamsini, that's right. Samantha.
Could I
Hey
do
guys,
it again?
Harshit and Samantha, can you explain to me how you're calculating 60? Harshita, correct. Harshit or Samantha, please, both of you said 60. Can you explain to me?
Well, first, all the odd digits are 1, 3, and 5, 1, 3, 5, and 7.
Correct.
Yeah,
And
there's
then there are 5 different odd digits. So you've already chose. Oh wait, it's 5 times 5 times 5.
Yeah. Oh, you did 5, 4,
times
3. No,
yes.
no. See, the same digit, even if you choose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, again 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 can come here, right?
Should I do the even digit ones?
Yeah. Get the how many 3-digit numbers are there with all even digits? So the answer was 125 for the other one. Anika, are you with me? Dia, are you with me? Anika?
Is my answer
yeah,
correct? No, wait.
Anika,
No,
did
my
you
answer's
wait
wrong.
wait a minute, Harshad. Anika, did you understand? Okay, good. Now let's go to sorry, Harshad. Go ahead. What was that, Harshad?
Never mind. Nothing.
Okay, even digit, please send in your answers, guys. Sunny, that's
I got
incorrect.
it. Yeah.
Anika,
now
can
it's
Wait,
my
that's
answer.
incorrect.
that is correct.
Oh, can I explain this one?
Yeah, you can explain, but can I get the others explain so that how they did it, I can understand.
Is my
Harshita
answer.
correct. Anika incorrect. You know what happened? You guys, I know with Anika's answer what happened. I'll explain to you, Anika. Harshit or Harshita correct. Can I ask Harshita to explain this? Thanks. Go ahead, Harshita. You go ahead. She has already explained one. Go ahead.
Go
Go
the
ahead.
digit numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So then for the hundreds it gives us 4 choices. For the tens it gives us 5 choices, and ones it gives us 5 choices. And if we do 4 into 5 into 5, we get 100.
Do you get it, guys?
Yeah.
So the answer is what?
100.
Yep. Did you get it? Anika, Harshit, did you get it?
Yeah, I accidentally calculated 4 into 6 into
No problem.
Five
See,
into
this is the
six.
first time we're all learning. I completely see it. Okay. Now I'm going to make it a challenge. Okay. Let's try this one. Quick comma. Let's see. How about this? Oh, what is going on? Try that one. I'm going to give you a challenge next. Okay. Let's see this one.
You already gave this problem.
No.
Huh?
That's it. No.
That
I
was
didn't.
different, I think. Yeah.
Okay, let me put a question number. You can send it to me to get quickly. Okay, I really want to cover some AMC8 problems as well. Okay, for permutation combination. Once you understand this, it becomes very easy. Next week we'll continue this. Okay, next time when we meet, we'll continue this, and we'll have good fun. This is a major part. You can meaning if you can elaborate yourself, study further on this, you can definitely attempt 2-3 problems. I don't know the answer honestly on that. Let's see. I don't meaning I've just had meaning I've taken the notes for the problems only, not the answers. It's okay. Let's see. Guys, which question are you all doing?
I just did the
Number one,
first
I'm
one.
on it.
Wait, don't you send both of them in the
I
same
did
answer?
number one.
Yeah, it would be nice if you send both of them in the same answer.
Okay. I'm just doing the second one.
Can I show you?
Hey, it's how to spell the word misspelled.
That is a tricky question, honestly. That's a very tricky question.
No, like how to spell misspelled.
Hmm. Anika, that is not what is exactly asked. In how many ways are there to misspell the word misspelled? They did not ask you how many ways can I rearrange the digits, but they asked you how many ways are there to misspell the word. So let me wait to see your answers, guys. I would love to see. Can I go ahead and calculate on the board? Or should I wait? Come on, tell.
You can calculate.
Yes, that is misspelled. Correct. My problem is,
Did I get the first one correct? I sent both my answers in the same one.
first one is, I get a different answer. Can I show you? How many 3-digit odd numbers are there with distinct digit?
Are my answers correct?
I didn't see. Sorry, wait.
You said like number one, like 5 times 4 times 3.
Oh, correct. Huh? Hamsini, the second one is right. Isn't the second one no, ma? It's not
No, I'm asking for the first one.
First one, Vidyut. Can you explain? See, each of your thought, I respect each of your thought. How did you get that first answer? Vidyut?
Like the first answer, I did 5 times 4 times 3, because if you do it like there's 5 different odd numbers.
Ma, 1 minute, Vidyut. I'm just writing down your thoughts. 1, 3, 5, 7,
5
9.
and
Okay,
yeah.
correct.
So you can choose like one of them for like
Uh,
your first digit. Then you can choose because it's distinct digits. You can only choose 4 of them for the next one. And then
3-digit. Okay.
let's say I like choose like 1, so it can be like 3, 5, 7, 9, and then I can choose and then I have to take one more out, so it'll be like 3 left.
Wait. Did you read the question properly, Vidyut? How many 3-digit odd numbers? What does it mean?
Mm,
What was your answer? Harshit did not answer. Hamsini's first answer I did not get.
Auntie, I answered.
I sent mine though.
Really? Can you send again? I didn't see.
I can send it again.
Yeah, you too.
Is
Harshit
that
as well.
correct?
Harshit, I got your first and second answer. See, the problem is you're not reading. Both Vidyut and Harshit, you did not read. Otherwise, your answer is correct.
Can you see my first one? Because it says there's a problem with loading it.
Hamsini, nobody is reading it correctly. Yeah. See, all the three of you. 3-digit odd numbers
Wait,
means
but
what, guys?
I answered it.
Yeah, 60 is not the answer, right?
Wait, did mine load
Wait.
properly?
Wait. Guys, all of you listen. 3-digit odd numbers means what? The ending digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Wait, but distinct digits, right?
Yeah. Distinct digits, yes.
Now you
The
can.
ending digit has to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. One of that, right?
Yeah.
But These two need not be.
Oh.
Do you get it? These two need not be odd digits.
Oh.
Do you get it, guys? The
Oh,
question asked
yeah.
is very, very simple question, but it's very difficult for the brain to digest that it is 3-digit odd numbers means the first 2 digits need not be odd.
Then it's 450.
Huh?
Then
Means
it's
it's
450,
9.
right?
It's 9 times 9 times.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Break your head and tell me the answer.
9 times 9 times 5.
I'll wait to hear from you. So,
405.
Yeah, 405.
not really.
60?
Not really. 60 is not the answer, ma.
360, Auntie. 360.
No, 3?
Yeah, 360.
See, 13579 can be here, right?
Yeah.
Now, how many can be here?
Oh, wait, I forgot to
Oh,
do
it can be 10.
factorial.
It can be
Forgot to
10.
do
So,
factorial.
it can be 0, 2, no, 3.
Oh, that's done. Oh,
9.
Huh?
It's 450. It's 450 done.
yeah. I said 450, and then I regretted it. Why did I do that?
45 times.
Harshita, can you explain? Your answer is right. Harshita, go ahead and explain.
I kind of don't know what I was doing. I just guessed the answer.
Mama, please. What is that?
Oh, so if I'm not really sure as well.
But why don't you try something? You got the answer, right? Go ahead and try.
The question asked for like 3-digit odd numbers, so the numbers must be like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then
Correct.
you can't repeat it. So the last digit is 5 choices, the hundreds place is 8 choices, and the
Why hundreds places 8 choices?
because the first digit must be non-zero.
2, 4, 6, 8, and it can be, suppose if you have chosen 1 here, it can be 3, 5, 7, 9, correct? If you have chosen 3 here, it can be 1, 5, 7, 9. 4 odds, right?
Is my answer correct now?
Correct. No, not yet. So, okay, and after that, Harshita?
And then in the tens plates, it's also 8 choices. And then if
Why?
you because the middle digit must be distinct from both the hundreds and the ones.
Good job. That was the fine. So, this one, right, when you list out the digits, right? See, you have used one of the digits here. You have used one of the digits here. So, how many other digits are there? 8, right? You guys got it?
Which is 320.
Yep, 320 sons. Good job.
What about for the second one?
So the second one we didn't do. Okay, with that we'll stop. Okay. For the second one, how many ways? The thing is, it's just the same, misspelled. In how many ways can you rearrange these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factorial by what was that? Yes, you can leave, ma. So basically, this is 2, 2, 2 factorial. These are the number of ways you can arrange. Okay. But you subtract one because this is the correct spelling. That correct spelling need to be subtracted. That's it.
So is my answer correct?
The answer was find out what is this. I don't know what is this, honestly.
I got
It's I got 10 factorial by 8 minus 1.
Yeah, correct. 10 factorial by 8 minus 1.
Well, I got 12,759.
I don't know. That you need 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I'm gonna get a calculator.
Okay, yeah. And then
I just took off the 8. I just canceled the 8 off. So I just took it off. And then after you multiply all of that, you just have to subtract 1, I think.
I got a
8,
calculator.
40 times 10. Then you have 7 nines are 63 times 18. This you need to do, guys. What is 63 times 18? 24, 2, 6, 8 are 48. 48 plus 3, 51. 52, 53. 5, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now this is 400 times this. So 4 4s are 16. 1, 4 3s are 12, 13. 1, 4 1 is 4, 5. 4 1 is Guys, I'm getting something like this.
And then you add a 0 at the end.
Yeah, that's the answer. It's 4535.
4,
That's
5,
the
3,
no,
5.
answer. I did
got.
it on a calculator.
Oh, you did it on a calculator? Then that's the answer.
Invisible rectangle came again.
Okay,
Yeah.
4, 5, 3, 5 is the answer. Sorry. Did you all get it? How?
Yeah, I got it.
My
Okay.
multiplication was wrong somewhere.
Okay, I'll stop here. We'll do a lot of permutation combinations and probability next week. We'll continue this for another 2 weeks, I think. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, this I
Bye.
really want to get it to your brains. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Hey, you have to attend the test. Test is ready. I'll send it in Google Classroom.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Can you come upstairs now, Ma? Bye.